What's up, guys? I'm Bobby Sharp and this is the Made by Hand Shop. I'm really excited for this episode because we're getting into some shop improvement projects. This one will be about a table saw stand that I will construct, and later on it will be part of a outfeed table, and we'll have a lot of opportunities for storage both in the table saw stand and in the outfeed table. While you're here, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you see anything in my shop or something that I didn't cover today, then leave a comment below. So let's get into this week's episode. Alright, well, this is my table saw, and in my opinion the table saw is the centerpiece of any wood shop. The majority of your machining is done on a table saw, it seems to me. But this is a mid-80s 10-inch Sears Craftsman. It is the belt-driven version. They made a direct drive version, and this is the belt drive. It's a horse and a half. It has the stock fence on it, and I hope to upgrade to a Biesermeyer and maybe build something that's along those lines, of Biesermeyer style fence. It does not have really good dust collection, as you can see on the floor, but I plan on just putting a box or a drawer in the middle so that I can pull that out when it's full and just take it out in the burn pile and dump it out. There is a little bit of opportunity for storage on the right side. This is the up and down lever here, and then the miter adjustment is on the right side. So I'm going to have to leave this upper section open here. Anything below this area I could probably use that area for some sort of storage. On the other side, we'll be able to make 2 or 3 drawers in there. We can hide our saw blades and dado set, wrenches, anything that we use that's used and I need to get access to kind of quickly. But I'm excited about this. This is really the first project in my short history here as a creator on YouTube, and to me it starts with the heart of the shop, and that's the table saw. And so this table saw stand and outfeed table is really going to help improve my shop, improve workability, and just plain enjoyment of being here in the shop. So let's start with this project. Alright, so I'm finished cutting out all the pieces for this project, and what you see here is the inner layer of the front support of the table saw stand. And my thinking here is that I'm going to put pocket holes in to hold everything together, make sure it's square, and then I will glue subsequent layers on the outside and the bottom side, which the bottom side or the inner part of the support. And that way I can get it square, because it really needs to be square, and nail it together, clamp it, let it dry, because this will have 3 layers of plywood that will make up each one of the front support and the rear support of the table saw stand. Basically, you are looking at this is the top of the table saw stand, this being the bottom. So the table saw will sit in this opening here. There'll be a platform here that it will sit on. This area will be a drawer, and that will catch all the dust that falls out of the sawdust that falls out of the saw. These openings on the side, I have not designed any drawers and storage for this yet, so that is yet to come. But yes, pocket holes to hold this together with some glue, get this frame nice and square, and then everything else will be built off of this. right, so I got this square off camera. It is not perfect, but it's a lot closer than it was. So we'll continue on now. We have assembled the middle front support for the table saw stand. This is very close to being perfectly square. I'm at 59 and just a hair over 3/8 in that direction. And I'm 59 and 3/8 on the nose on that measurement. So I think what we'll do, some of the video assembling this kind of got messed up, so I kind of chopped that up and put it in the video, but we will continue building up the inner and the outer layer of this front support. We're just going to glue that down and pin nail it in place, and so we'll set up for that and show you how that.
Sorry, I was like, what?
Clamp that a lot better than what you saw on camera, and let that sit for about 45 minutes or so. So I'm actually going to do the same, gluing them on and nails in, but I'm going to clamp better as I go. And maybe that kind of stuff. I did have some samples. It wasn't too bad. I clamped on there. Dry for a little bit and I'll come back. folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. This is the finished frame that we assembled on this episode. I will go ahead and assemble the rear support, the rear frame for this project. Go ahead and make all the other pieces, the cross supports, and cut all the plywood pieces out that are going to be shelves or vertical supports. And so hopefully on the next episode we will get into actually assembling this table saw stand, and maybe I'll be finished with the table saw by that point, and we can take it apart and see if we can put the whole assembly together. But this is the finished frame. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I ask you again to subscribe. That really helps us out as a small channel. And if you saw anything in the shop that you would like to comment on, or you have questions about, or something maybe I didn't cover or that you would like to talk about, there's a comment box below. And even if you just have general comments you would like to make, I'd like to hear those as well. So as always, be all you can be, but best of all, be sharp. Stay safe here. Man, are you kidding me? I don't think I can piece that together. And stay safe, everyone.